Okay, welcome back. So today it's cleaning day. So we're gonna clean the chicken coop, and those are my tools for today. I use a wheelbarrow, a little brush, pail, and those 3 items. So this is good for to kill any type of odor. I use this diatomaceous red lake earth. This is great for to kill any type of bugs. And then the fluffy one. Then so this is it. So let's go. There you go. So it's pretty clean now. Good enough. So now I'm going to apply the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna put this first. Sorry about that. Everywhere. This is gonna remove all the smells, if there's any. Nice and fresh. Do you like it? Here you go, guys. This is it. So I'm done. Easy. So I'm gonna let it open for a little while, the door, to take all the dust out of the coop, and then it'll be good to go for another few more months. What I do is I don't remove all of the poop, I just keep adding more of what you guys saw until the piles up. And the way I do it is because the poop and all the compost kind of heat up the coop, so it's great for winter time. There we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.